Good looking truck here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Extended Cab, Z71 package. Clean Carfax, no accents indicated. Actual mile truck, 76,439 is all on this one at the moment. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the condition of the chrome on the front bumper. Grill and grill surround also looking good. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it. Very nice condition. It's black. You may find a little touch-up spot here or there or an imperfection, but I tell you what, they are few and far in between on this one. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock wheels, radial tires, plenty of tread left on these. Technician did note they're date coded 2015. He also stated it brakes straight. 60% brake in the front, 65% left in the rear, and just some very, very minor drivetrain seats. You'll be able to see the underside picks too, so take your time looking through there. Let's look down this passenger side. You can see running boards have been installed. These lower rockers, great shape. I actually noticed still has a little protective film or protective coating that is put on that from the factory. That lower cab corner looking good. Does not appear that this thing has been driven in the inclement weather like we see in the Midwest so often. And again, clean Carfax, no accents indicated, actual mile truck. SLE will have cloth interior, bucket seats, center console. Nice looking interior too. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out in just a bit. Truxedo, roll-up tonneau cover on there. Bed's in nice shape, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Of course, the receiver hitch already on it. It's ready to roll. And again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Chevy or GMC pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see the driver's side just as nice as the passenger side. Paint has a nice shine to it with that black upper and the silver lower. Good looking color combination. A little pinstripe on there to highlight it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. SLE is very nicely equipped. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, both sides, power seat over here on the driver's side. Seating surfaces, excellent shape. Let me get back a little bit so you can see those better. There you go. No rips, tears, holes. Fold down armrests. Those can be folded back up too. On down. Headliner, good shape. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. Seating surfaces in the back, also in great shape. That will fold up for storage or seating with the seats down. Nice sturdy running boards too. There's the exact miles, 76,000, just rolling to 439. How about the dash? Dash looks good. AM, FM, cassette.
And there's all those cliched
radio working.
Words, right?
Manual transfer case. If you prefer one of those, there it is. Nice truck, smooth runner too. Door closes nicely. We got the hood pop. We'll check out that engine bay, and then as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive. Sounds as you would expect, 5.7 liter to sound. Nothing crazy over the top with exhaust, sounds stock. hood liner. That baby's clean. You can see that. There you go. And engine bay. Again, 5.7 liter. Nicely equipped. And with the price of new trucks these days, these have become more and more popular, especially in this shape. Lower miles, clean Carfax. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Z71 package. What more do you want? Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1995 GMC Sierra pickup truck. This is an extended cab, an automatic on the column, and we have a tonneau cover on the bed. Both our turn signal indicators are working, our gauges are working. Nice feeling truck. Fuel gauge shows a little less than a quarter of a tank. The volts are charging over 14. The oil pressure is about 50 psi. And the temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge, approximately 180 degrees. Stereo sounds good. Cloth bucket seats in this truck, very comfortable with center storage between those seats. Feels good on the road. Nice ride, quiet ride. The AC's blowing cold. $1995. Some of the last years when a truck kind of, what would you say, is a simple design. Good visibility, not too big, not too high. Very usable. Brakes are nice and smooth. Nice cornering, really quiet. A well-refined truck. When you put your foot down, the transmission does kick down and you can feel the power. Very nice 1995 GMC Sierra extended cab pickup truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.